In this video I'm going to show you how to do the automatic printhead cleaning of your Canon MAXIFY GX3020 printer. And this will help you to fix if there is any ink that is not showing up on the printouts. That means it can be black or color ink. Go to the display panel and click on the home button and then go to the maintenance. Select cleaning and click yes. So it's cleaning the printhead. Once the printhead cleaning is done, it will ask you to make the nozzle check and print a page. So click on the yes and press OK. So let's check the print result. So this will give you an idea if your printer ink is working or not, and any clogged ink must have been cleared. If not, then you have to do the deep cleaning. So let's check here. So we can clearly see all the inks are showing up here, and we have to confirm it on the main screen. So click on the next and select all A and press OK. If your printer is still not printing in some of the inks, click on the deep cleaning. Make sure you only press yes if you have enough ink in the ink tank, because it will waste a lot of ink. I don't prefer to do the deep cleaning, so it's always good click on the no and just go the normal cleaning, just to save the ink and your money. Thanks for watching.